IGCSE Computer Science Syllabus Statement 1.2.3a show understanding of the role of a browser and internet server. So, this is the topic Internet Principles of Operation, and this basically talks about the internet and a bit of how it works. But again, you'll learn more about the internet in the security topic, where we actually look at how security and the internet work together. But this is just to help you get a basic understanding of how the internet works. So, starting with the browser and internet server. So, a web browser is software which can display a web page on a user's computer screen. Now, like web browsers include stuff like Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, and Internet Explorer. They translate HTML code from websites and display the result of the translation in the form of text, images, videos, or sound. So like, text is what we usually see in a normal website, images as well, videos like on YouTube, or sound. And most web browsers have these features. So a home page, the ability to store websites or web pages, basically sort of like bookmarks, a history of web pages visited. I don't want to know what your history has. And the ability to go backwards and forwards through websites. So like there's a back button, a forward button, like after you click like a link or a button, for example, and it takes you to another web page, you can click the back button to go back to the previous web page, and forward to go, well, forward. So then there's the internet server. So a server is software which responds to requests from other software. So they're called clients. And a web browser will send a request to an internet server through a proxy server. The internet server will then send a response back to the web browser, again through the proxy server. So to get an idea of how this works, we have our web browser here. So like this is on the user's computer. The request is sent to the proxy server, and then the request is forwarded by the proxy server to the internet server. After the internet server gets it, it sends a response to the proxy server, and the proxy server forwards that response to the web browser, and it's filtered. And we'll actually learn more about the proxy server in the security topic, but this is just so you can get a basic idea of how it works.